just show you some of the questions, examples of questions you might get. So you might get an image like this, and this one says, which bone is at letter J? So I'm going to follow that through. I think I'm pretty confident with that. So I'm going to go pelvis, and then I just submit, and next. I'll take up the next one, letter B, and that is, I'm pretty sure that's the vertebrae, so I'm going to go there. And that's the sort of types of questions you're going to get. You're going to get images with labels, and you're asked what is happening at point A or B, or you might get more of a traditional multiple choice question such as this. So identify the bones found in the forearm, and we're going to go for the radius and the ulna. So let me just complete this quiz and show you what it looks like when we finished. I'm just finishing up the quiz now, so let's do this together. So this one says, which bone is at the letter I? So that's going to be the femur, and then we're going to go to the bone located in front of the knee joint, patella, and at letter N. Now I'm not sure. I think it's the tibia or the fibia, so I'm going to go for the tibia just because I'm not entirely sure. Now I've finished submit quiz, and then very quickly what will happen, as you can see, is you get a reading of how well you've done in the quiz overall. So there were 30 questions, total marks 30. I got 14 correct. I got 16 incorrect, which means that I only got 47%, and in this occasion I failed. If I go over to details and hover the mouse, you can see that it's turned yellow. I can click on that, and it will give me a comprehensive rundown, breakdown of which questions I got correctly and which ones I didn't. So you can see that I started off, didn't do brilliant in the first question, got the next few correct, but it's telling me which ones I got incorrect and what the correct answer is. So this is really, really useful for you to review your learning. So not only do you know how well you did, you also know what you got wrong, and you're given that immediate feedback to enhance and cement your understanding with the correct response. And you can scroll down and you can see all of those, the ones that got right, the ones that got wrong. And then the beauty of this, as you will have read before, is that you can go back to the quiz and you can retake the quiz as many times as you like. So what you might want to do straight away is start the quiz again and then see if you can improve on your 47%. Or what you might want to do is leave it for a little bit and come back at a later stage and revisit that quiz and see if you can make those improvements. Remember, you're looking for 80% for your pass rate. And you can see over here on the left hand side, if you take a multiple choice quiz and you don't pass, you get this red square with the attention icon there saying you've still got to revisit that and do something about it. So that, I think, is really great about this. Not only have you got the opportunity to do all these quizzes, but you get immediate feedback about how you did in the quiz and how you did at each question at question level, and you can come back and you can revisit the quiz whenever you want. You can take it as many times as you like, and as I said right at the beginning of these videos, if you take every single quiz a number of times, you will be in such a great position to do so well in your GCSE PE exam.